Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today we're by Lake Simcoe in Ontario, Canada. Beautiful Lake Simcoe out here. Here's Cowboy Tony.
Oh yeah, that's the best. Cheers, happy birthday to somebody in this world today.
Oh, my man's good. Carrot.
If you just go hide that thing, come up.
Yeah, look.
I go get Neil to pattern it.
So this is my good friend Tony. Tony will be cooking stew chicken with peas in the Fireside. Something I haven't seen for the first time. How beautiful that lighting. We have Deuce in his barbecue grill, Raj, and Senor Carlos. All the way from Mexico. Somos at your back. Show me.
Just the way you think you're a beer.
Yeah, I'm gonna go there.
What is it?
And I end up with TTC hat more you wanted. So how about TTC hat? Yeah. How about 5
Raj, if you're going on the bus, use the TDC hat. You get in free.
I remember I used to club with
I have a picture of it.
Where you put it and pull out.
Yeah.
First of all, cooking stew lamb, and she making back on tukan roti. So Tony's putting the sugar to get nice and fluffy.
That's the sound you want to hear. So now we're putting in some ketchup and soy sauce.
Siao. Siao.
You know, see how it's in brand, eh? Just like Kleenex and
Things happy that way. What are you doing up there, man? You gotta email it to me so we can put that on the video. Deuce! Bring up that one. That one?
So today is alive at Holmes Point Beach. Today I'm going to make some stew lamb. Throw it in a bigger bowl so we can, season it up. We wash this with lime and vinegar the night before. So now I'm going to put some green seasoning. Have banana, green onion, and garlic.
And celery.
And celery. Thank you very much. I'm going to put some salt now. Some black pepper. Some soy sauce. And some ketchup. Thanks to my assistant, my sister Katrina. And my brother who's videoing me. And my mom, the next assistant.
You're my assistant.
Oh yeah?
You want to drink?
Alright. Now, we're gonna chunky this pot now. And we eat that stuff.
So we have Aaron and Melissa, our faves.
I tell you, every time we have this.
Smells great.
And some oil. So let that pot a little bit before you throw the brown sugar. So that sugar had to caramelize a little bit. So I little bit sugar to get a little black. So get a nice color. Right? And throw the lamb now.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, man. It's real nice. Now we can take a shot.
We got stew lamb and stew chicken.
I already bought him now.
You're looking good, boy.
I'm a big pepper man, right? So I like pepper, so I'm going to put some boil inside it. Look at that. So I put in the next piece. I'm going to chop it up. Alright.
Like what?
So after the browning, the stew lamb, they got a nice color.
You know what?
Look at that color.
Yeah, after that.
Smells good.
Real nice.
I'm gonna Juice is gonna cook curry duck
Right?
in the fireside. Tony is resetting the fire.
Feed in the fire.
According to the Trinidadians, it's chicken wood.
Yeah. Yes, man. He could chuck good fire.
He's gonna put some oil in there now.
Alright.
A little different.
A little, yeah. Put in a little sugar.
Do a little brown sugar first, right?
Alright.
And then you throw in the seasoning. So this is Du's style of making his way, his duck.
With a lime.
Yeah,
Big lime.
the line.
Right. It's a curry stew. No?
What did chef do?
Yeah, boy.
Do something like
I'm not going to
I think so. Yeah.
Stew lamb.
Stew lamb, boy.
Proper.
That's good.
Give water. Vamos já saber. Tem para nós, né?
Yeah, boy, look at what they're not saying.
Yeah. Throw again, inside.
Let's see, you have to start bubbling, boy.
What's that some glistening off the curry?
Alright, you now start to bubble. Leave it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Nice, boy.
Wonderful. Yeah. Look how nice you bubbling on. Yeah, very bubbly and bubble up good. That's fresh meat, or?
Yeah,
I just peel it.
just feel it. Best. You know where that come from? Republic of Dominica.
Tight skin and peel it.
That is it. So that will cook with the thing.
Alright, you boys.
I look to only chicken fire. Cheers, boy.
Look if you must stop, boy.
They put it over there now. Look at hot.
So now I'm gonna make a pepper curry chicken. It has more pepper than curry and more than chicken. Now you remember something, curry is the greatest invention in this world. My uncle said you can curry a stone from the backyard and make it taste good.
best.
When you want to live long.
Yeah.
No way, boy.
That killing everything, including your taste bud.
Yeah, but who we have here?
Gonna fry up
Alright.
everything.
Wow.
Hey, you do this. No. Wait there, wait, right. I thought that was.
No, that's pepper, man.
Actually, curry now?
Hardest part in your body.
Baiting with curry.
Good. That's Calabran curry.
Run. He equal to you. Run. Equal to you. He holding the chicken. Oh, that brings it from the...
Yeah.
I'd marinate overnight. With the green seasoning.
That brings it from the... Right, so I need more.
So I'm gonna cover it now, then file a bit. And even if it dies, put it down.
They don't cook. You have to taste it for salt, pepper.
Yeah, make sure you run in this video, you run in mango.
That's the man come.
That is chicken man.
Let me stop it, see. Good, straight.
Don't break the show. Hold it good and show. You learn in this cook. That chicken looking deformed. It have about 5 legs.
That KFC chicken there.
Okay, see who man watch it out.
Yeah.
Hey,
Well, they have Cora in Trinidad. This is big Cora here.
wow.
Look how wide this place is. Beautiful.
This place is much better than Cora, by the way.
Yeah.
See how clean. I'm here for this and I'm here for that.
What's running?
There's a nice little spot for me to go stand up right there.
Yeah.
On this side.
I put a little aloo to get a little flavor.
Everything's safe.
Yeah.
Tony was done. I bring soft food.
This is pepper chicken.
That's all he had.
They go survive.
Hey, I know you drive this one. I had some people bring me. Give me some food.
Let me see how the duck going in now. You know the tape, you know. Let me show you duck going in.
It's shit that it's taping.
Nice.
Ay.
You know, we have the best. We have the drone taking pictures of the duck, the curry chicken, the stew chicken, everything.
The stew lamb.
And the stew lamb. I mean, enjoy myself with Carlos, my good friend here.
Yes. Hi, how are you?
I'm all the way from San Fernando.
Yeah, this is good.
Are we at?
Let me see how this curry chicken going.
Try that, that's what all them show, boy. You come in there, you say, hey, what you cooking?
I think it's time for a cold curry.
There's a lot of
Alright. This is the pepper chicken I made. Curry pepper chicken. This have 6 habanero pepper. Right. And this is good for hangover. So again, guys, we're gonna enjoy this.
And this is
My buddy here, Deuce. He has made a good duck. Chatak matak.
Chatak matak.
Chatak matak. Penal style. The man from Penal.
only water. No.
Where you from?
Debe boy.
And this is the man from Debe.
Debe boy.
From the bay. From the bay.
Debe.
The bay.
Debe. All right, that's good boy.
The duck looks sharp back.